XRP is reaching a critical point. Right now, according to crypto analyst Dark Defender, the asset is approaching a tight convergence of technical indicators that could trigger a major price move. The daily chart shows a rare combination of signals, some that have individually predicted big movements in the past, now overlapping at the same time. That's why many investors believe XRP is preparing to break out of its current range, possibly very soon. Let's break this down. Currently, XRP is trading just above $2.16, which puts it at the lower boundary of the $2 region. This may seem like a weak position, but according to the chart analysis shared by Dark Defender, XRP is not breaking down. Instead, it's coiling. And that coiling is happening right where many powerful indicators intersect. Let's start with the descending resistance trend line. This line has been limiting XRP's upward momentum since it hit a local high of $3.40 in January 2025. Since then, each rally has been rejected at this trend line, forming a pattern of lower highs. Now, after months of decline and consolidation, XRP has returned to this resistance level. But this time, something is different. It's backed by several bullish technical signals. Since April, XRP has been forming a classic cup pattern. This started with a bottom at $1.61 on April 7th. And over the past few months, the price has gradually moved upward, creating a rounded structure. Now, XRP is trading close to what is called the rim of the cup, typically a zone of heavy resistance. The significance here is that a break above the rim often leads to sharp upward moves. However, a failed attempt could send the price back into consolidation. So, this is a make-or-break area. Next, we have the Ichimoku cloud, a popular indicator for identifying support and resistance. Between February and June, the cloud has covered much of XRP's price action, indicating a long period of indecision. But here's the important part. Right now, XRP is inside the cloud, and specifically in a very thin area of that cloud. When the Ichimoku cloud narrows, it signals a lack of resistance, meaning a breakout can happen quickly and with minimal friction. Thin clouds are considered by many analysts as decision zones, where price chooses a direction and accelerates fast. Several exponential moving averages, EMAs, are now tightly clustered around the current price. This kind of compression typically precedes significant volatility. It's like a spring being compressed. Eventually, it will snap in one direction. At the same time, Fibonacci retracement levels show that XRP is sitting just below key levels. Specifically, 61.8% retracement sits at $2.1958. 70.2% retracement at $2.2895, and 50% retracement at $2.0706, acting as strong support. So, XRP is now boxed in between strong support and major resistance levels, setting up a potential breakout zone. According to Dark Defender, if XRP can break above the resistance zone, the next target is $2.22, followed by a longer-term objective at $3.61. From today's price of $2.16, this represents a potential gain of 67%. However, if the breakout fails and the price drops below $2.0706, then we could see a deeper pullback. But at the moment, there's no strong evidence of bearish pressure. Instead, the confluence of bullish indicators is creating what Dark Defender calls a hot cup, ready to trigger movement. He didn't specify a timeline, but the way these indicators are aligned suggests that the market is likely to make a decision within days, not weeks. In summary, XRP is testing a descending resistance line. The cup pattern is nearing completion. The Ichimoku cloud is thin, signaling reduced resistance. EMAs are tightly compressed, suggesting coming volatility. Fibonacci levels show the asset is near key decision points. This setup is rare. And when several indicators point to the same conclusion, especially on a daily chart, investors usually pay close attention. But while the technicals support a bullish scenario, it's always important to remain cautious. Breakouts can fail, and false moves are not uncommon in crypto markets. For now, the tension is real. XRP is sitting at the edge of a key decision point, and whatever happens next could define the next leg of its market cycle. What do you think? Will XRP finally break above resistance and reach $3.61? Or is the market not ready yet? Let me know in the comments.